Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to see exercise 5.1 arithmetic progression class 10 third question. Before this, just watch the previous videos of exercise 5.1 first question, second question, and the before video of example 1, 2 and the basic introduction of arithmetic progression, and switch to this video so that you have a clear understanding of what these questions generally talk about, right? So exercise 5.1 third question, first subdivision. Okay, the third question is, for the following APs write the first term and the common difference. Okay, just a simple question. They are asking us to write the first term and the common difference. So the first subdivision is 3 1 1 3, and it goes on 3 1 1 3. Okay, so the first term over here is nothing but this one. So as I told you before, the first term will be represented as A, that is 3. They are asking us to find the common difference, that is D. As I told you, the formula will be A2 minus A1, that is equal to A3 minus A2, that is equal to A4 minus A3, and it goes on. So with this question, with this context, we will just get it as 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus 3 plus 1. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2, that will be equal to minus 1 is again minus 2, minus 3 plus 1 is again minus 2, therefore the common difference D will be minus 2, right? So they have asked us to find the first term, we found that is to be 3, the common difference is with minus 2, right? So this is the third question, first subdivision. Similarly, the second subdivision, right? The same process for the entire 4 subdivisions to be carried out. Yes, the second subdivision, again minus 5 minus 1 3 7, and it goes on. So again A will be the first term, that is minus 5. D will be A2 minus A1, that is equal to A3 minus A2, that is equal to A4 minus A3, and it goes on. So by that way we get minus 1 plus 5. Why? Because minus 1 minus minus 5 will be plus 5, so that will be 4. Similarly 3 plus 1, again 4, because 3 minus minus 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4. Similarly 7 minus 3 will be again 4. So the common difference D which we found is 4. This is the second subdivision. The third subdivision, similarly we have 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3, and it goes on. Kindly have your textbook with your hand, because just don't depend on the photo which I posted before. It's just for my convenience as well as for your convenience at that point of time, right? So kindly have your textbook with you always and the rough note to just jot down what I'm writing, and kindly repeat this again after watching this video without seeing the jotted down notes, because that will make you a clear understanding of whatever the concept may be, not only this chapter, for entire all the chapters which I'm posting. Kindly do like this so that it will be very easy and you will remember this for entire lifetime, right? Because this I studied past 6 to 7 years back. So A equal to 1 by 3, and the common difference is nothing but, again as I told you, A2 minus A1, that is equal to A3 minus A2, and it goes on. So that will be 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 3. So the common difference D will be 4 by 3. We will check it up. 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is again 4 by 3. Therefore the common difference D is 4 by 3, right? So this is the third subdivision. Fourth subdivision, similarly it is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, and it goes on. The first term A will be 0.6, no doubt. The common difference D is again A2 minus A1, that is 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. Similarly 2.8 minus 1.7, again 1.1, then it goes on, right? The same common difference, so the D is 1.1. That's it. So these are the four subdivisions that is given in your question 3 of exercise 5.1. Now this is the fourth question in exercise 5.1. So which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write three more terms. Oh, again the same thing, right? This they are just repeating the same thing with different headings and subdivisions. Nothing much to be analyzed over here. So the first subdivision is 2, 4, 8, 16 and it goes on. First we need to check whether the following term is an AP or not. 2, 4, 8, 16 and it goes on. If they didn't form AP, we just don't need to proceed to write the three more terms and to find the common difference. But if it is an AP, we need to proceed. Before that, for checking whether it is an AP or not, we need to find common difference. There is no other go. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again 8 minus 4 is 4. Therefore this doesn't form an arithmetic progression sequence, as because the common difference changes at every point of time, right? Because here it is 2, 4, 8 and it will be again 16 like that, so it doesn't form an AP. So the first case itself, it has been ruled out that this doesn't form an AP, hence we don't need to find the three more terms which they have asked in the question, right? That's it. The second subdivision, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and it goes on, right? So 2, for our simplification we write 5 by 2 as 2.5, we just divide it, and the next is 3, then 7 by 2 will be 3.5. Yes, it forms an AP of common difference 0.5, because yes, it increases by 0.5 times, right? 0.5 value, right? D will be equal to 0.5. So if they form AP, find the common difference. So the common difference D is 0.5 and write three more terms. So simply we can write 3.5, the next term will be 4, the next term will be 4.5, the next term will be 5, and if you want you can write 5.5, 6 and it goes on. The same thing by just adding 0.5 to each and every preceding term that is present in the sequence. So that forms the upcoming following terms, right? Okay, similarly we will just erase this because I need this question. Okay, kindly have a notebook with you and just work it out. Don't think that this is very easy. At that point in the exam time, it may find difficult, it might be difficult at that time because of the tension that has been in your head at that point of time. So kindly work out each and every problem and don't think that it's, you don't judge the problem whether it is easy or tough. You kindly work it out again and again so that it will be very easy for you. So third subdivision in fourth question, yes, minus 1.2 minus 3.2 minus again minus 1.2, adding minus 2 to it, it comes minus 3.2, adding minus 2 to it, it comes minus 5.2. Again this forms an AP with a common difference of minus 2. Yeah, right, three more terms. Again add minus 2 to minus 5.2, it comes minus 7.2, minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus 13.2, it goes on, right? So this forms an AP. Yes, okay, this sequence forms an AP. Similarly, the next sequence present, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and it goes on. Okay, the common difference over here is 4. 4. 4 minus 2 minus 2, right? We are just subtracting it, right? So minus 2 minus 2, we get again over here. Okay, yes, it is 2 plus 2 because this minus this, right? So 4. Again, the common difference is equally shared, that is 4. Hence, this sequence forms an AP. Similarly, we just need to add 4 to the next sequence to get the upcoming sequences. So 6, 10, 14, 18, it goes on. So this sequence actually forms an AP. Okay. So this is the fourth subdivision. Now the fifth subdivision, what it tells, what it asks, uh, 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, it goes on. So they are asking whether this forms an AP or not. So this is the fifth subdivision. Okay. Again over here, as I told you, just write the first term, that is A equal to 3. The common difference we need to find, right? Common difference is nothing but 3 plus root 2 minus 3 is equal to root 2. Similarly, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. Why? Because minus 3 the whole into plus, right? Minus 3 the whole into 3 plus root 2. Again, multiplying minus inside, we get minus 3 minus root 2. This is very, basic max. So I just write like this. Kindly understand. And you get root 2. Similarly, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2, you get again root 2. Therefore, the common difference is root 2, right? Because I get root 2, root 2, root 2. Hence, this sequence forms an AP. It is an AP, right? Okay. Similarly, the sixth subdivision. These are very, very, very easy questions because you just need to implement this. Now, sixth subdivision 0.2. Oh, oh, okay. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and 0.2222, and it goes on. Same way, this will be the A. Common difference will be again 0.22 minus 0.2, you get 0.02. Similarly, 0.222 minus 0.22, you get 0.002. With these two steps, you just arrive that this does not form AP because the common difference is not same. That's it, simple. You just don't need to find again A1, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. Again, A4 minus A3 is not at all needed because this two step itself we can arrive that this does not form an AP because of unequal common difference present. Yes, we just conclude like this. The sequence 0.2, 0.22, 0.2222, and it goes on does not form an AP because of unequal common difference that is present, right? So by this two step we can arrive that. Say again the seventh subdivision. If you get an AP, there is a chance that, or not a chance, but you need to write 2 to 3 steps in order to conclude that the form is an AP. But if it's not, you can just arrive within the 2 steps of unequal common difference present in the first step as well as the second step. You just arrive that this series does not form an AP. But for an AP, as I repeat again, you need to you need to come 2 to 3 steps that the common difference is same. Therefore, to arrive that the sequence is an AP. Okay. So similarly, the seventh subdivision 0, minus 4, minus 8, 12. I'm sorry, minus 12. Okay, the first term is 0. Common difference is minus 4 minus 0. That will be minus 4. Again, minus 8, minus 4, minus 4. So with these two steps, just don't conclude that this forms an AP. Again, find the next step also for your safety. Minus 4. Hence, this forms an AP of equal common difference and the starting terms or the first term is 0. This sequence forms an AP, right? Yes. Similarly, the eighth subdivision, The eighth subdivision. Okay, yeah, if they form an AP, you need to find the next three terms, right? Okay, minus 12, then minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. The next three terms which they asked us to find the next three terms if they form an AP. So these minus 16, minus 20, and minus 24 are the next three terms, as because the given sequence forms an AP. Similarly, eighth subdivision. Eighth subdivision is minus 1 by 2. Sorry, minus 1 by 2. Oh, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and it goes on. Again, the A will be minus 1 by 2, the first term they have asked. Okay, common difference is again subtracting, it will become 0. Similarly, this minus this again 0, this minus this again 0, because all are same term, hence this forms an AP. No other doubt. As the common difference is 0 and the first term we have initiated is to be minus 1 by 2, therefore this sequence forms an AP with the same common difference 0, because it is a repetition of the same number, where whatever the number it may be, whether it may be 1, 2, or 3, it comes like 3, 3, 3, or 2, 2, 2, everything, whatever it may be, if the sequence is same, then just blindly you just put it as an AP of common difference 0, right? So this is the eighth subdivision. Similarly, there are more 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 subdivisions present. So we will just see what it is. The same thing. There is nothing much difference. The same thing. Just we need to find whether the following thing are AP or not. Only the thing is the number changes, right? So the ninth subdivision, again A will be 1. Common difference D will be 3 minus 1 is 2. Again 9 minus 3 is 6. So this, with this itself we can arrive that this does not form an AP. So ninth subdivision does not form an AP. Yes. Similarly, 10th subdivision A, 2A, 3A, 4A. Again the first letter or the first term will be A. Common difference is 2A minus A, that is equal to A. Again 3A minus 2A, again A. Again 4A minus 3A is also A. Therefore the common difference is same, hence it forms an AP. So again there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rest sums, right? So kindly work those 5 sums, because the same thing which we need to, we are just beating around the same bush, like again and again grinding the same batter. So kindly work out the next 5 sums if you have any doubt, because there are root values. So if you have any doubt, text me in the comment section. I will work those 5 sums again, and I will give you a hint for the root value. You just change the root into, say for example, root 8 can be changed to 2 root 2, like that. Root 18 3 root 2, like that. If you change means, again you can easily find the common difference, and you can say whether the following is an AP or not, right? So kindly work those problems, and if you have any doubt, text me in the comment section. I will work those 5 sums again and post it in a new video. Thank you. In the next video we will see the nth term of an AP and the following upcoming exercise, right? Thank you.